I am truly delighted to address the aspiring doctors who are embarking on their journey of preparing for the MDCAT. It is unfortunate that the material available on YouTube and other search engines often confuses students rather than encouraging them. To counter this, I have prepared trial material designed to show that with diligent and reasonable application of time, this test can be approachable. As you know, the MDCAT consists of 4 subjects: English, biology, chemistry, and physics. We'll begin with the English subject. We're launching a series of videos containing 30 quizzes, starting with a series of 5 videos. Similarly, there will be quiz series videos for all the subjects. We hope these will be very helpful in your studies. First, let's move to a classroom setting where a teacher and a student are discussing the preparation for the MDCAT test.
Good afternoon. How are you doing today?
Good afternoon. I'm doing well, just a bit stressed about the MDCAT test preparation. There's so much information out there, and it's hard to know what's helpful.
I understand your concern. I'm really pleased to be speaking to future doctors like you who are on their way to preparing for the MDCAT. It's a significant milestone in your career.
Thank you. That means a lot. But honestly, the material available on YouTube and other search engines is often confusing instead of encouraging. It's hard to stay focused.
That's a common issue many students face. It is a general trend with the material available online that it can sometimes confuse students rather than encourage them. That's why I've put together some trial material specifically designed to help you.
Really? How will this material help us?
The trial material I've created is meant to make you realize that you can prepare for this test easily. If you devote a reasonable amount of time to this material, you'll be exposed to the required level of preparation and practice on the pattern of the MDCAT entry test.
That sounds really helpful. What's included in the trial material?
It includes concise notes, practice questions, and mock tests that follow the MDCAT format. There are also clear explanations and tips for tackling difficult concepts. The goal is to simplify your preparation and make it more structured and manageable.
That sounds perfect. How can we access this trial material?
I'll be sharing the trial material with you today. I encourage you to follow the study plan, practice regularly, and stay consistent with your efforts. You'll find that preparing for the MDCAT is much more manageable than it seems.
Thank you so much. This really boosts my confidence. I'll definitely make the most of this material.
You're very welcome. Remember, every great doctor started where you are now. Stay positive, stay focused, and believe in yourself. You've got this.
Thank you for your support and encouragement. I'm ready to dive into the preparation with this new material.
I'm glad to hear that. Best of luck with your MDCAT preparation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Let's move to back ma'am office.
Thank you for attending the class. Now, let me take you to the English section quiz videos. Today, you'll watch the first video in a series of 5, where you can test yourself.
Question number 1. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word, felicity. Option A. Intense happiness. Option B. Respite. Option C. Inspire. Option D. Sensational.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 2. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. This is one of the bifurcated road. Option B. This is one of the bifurcated roads. Option C. This is one of them bifurcated road. Option D. This is one off the bifurcated road.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 3. Amjad was not conscious to the aberration he had committed in the public meeting. It was disliked by all and sundry. Option A. Conscious. Option B. Aberration. Option C. Committed. Option D. Disliked.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 4. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. Does any bodies knows why the latitudes close to the equator are called the horse latitudes? Option B. Do anybody knows why the latitudes close to the equator are called the horse latitudes? Option C. Does anybody knows why the latitudes close to the equator are called the horse latitudes? Option D. Does anybody know why the latitudes close to the equator are called the horse? Question number 5. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word, wallow. Option A. Roll about. Option B. Mock. Option C. Protest. Option D. Borrow.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 6. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word, lampoon. Option A. Irk. Option B. Lacerate. Option C. Gratification. Option D. Ridicule.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 7. Doze. Option A. Dogged. Option B. Diet. Option C. Sleep. Option D. Medicine to be taken.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 8. In each of the following question, 4 alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. A. Option A. The remain of the body was thrown into the sea. Option B. The remains of the body were thrown into the sea. Option C. The remains of the body were thrown to the sea. Option D. The remains of the body was thrown into the sea.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 9. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. They had died in the same day. Option B. They had died over the same day. Option C. They had died on the same day. Option D. They had died of the same day.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 10. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word, intransigent. Option A. Parallel. Option B. Adventurous. Option C. Inflexible. Option D. Spirited.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 11. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word, plethora. Option A. Plastic. Option B. Superfluidity. Option C. Measure. Option D. Malleable.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 12. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word manifestation. Option A, mode. Option B, token. Option C, quirk. Option D, bulwark.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 13. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word feckless. Option A, useless. Option B, careless. Option C, dauntless. Option D, fearless.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 14. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A, we should pay maximum accolade for our national heroes. Option B, we should pay maximum accolade in our national heroes. Option C, we should pay maximum accolade to our national heroes. Option D, we should pay maximum accolade from our national heroes. Question number 15. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word myriad. Option A, countable. Option B, multitude. Option C, measured. Option D, blurred.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 16. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A, Shelley is considered to be an idealist poet. Option B, Shelley is considering to be an idealist poet. Option C, Shelley is considered to be an idealist poet. Option D, Shelley is considered to be an idealist poet.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 17. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word inculcate. Option A, calculate. Option B, instigate. Option C, instill. Option D, stimulate.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 18. He relegated the incident to the back of his mind. Option A, revered. Option B, reagitated. Option C, regulated. Option D, relegated.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 19. He proved that if only germs were excluded of wounds, inflammation was averted. Option A, he proved that if, option B, only germs were, option C, excluded of wounds, option D, excluded of wounds.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 20. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word uncanny. Option A, exact. Option B, opposite. Option C, good. Option D, strange.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 21. Mangled. Option A, dodged. Option B, grained. Option C, indisputable. Option D, damaged.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 22. The theory was discarded as there was no corroborating evidence for its favor. Option A. The theory. Option B. Was discarded. Option C. As there was no corroborating. Option D. Evidence for its favor.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 23. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word. Paradox. Option A. Anomaly. Option B. Prototype. Option C. Steward. Option D. Fashion.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 24. I remember going to the British Museum one day to read for the treatment for some slight ailment, of which I had a touch hay fever, I fancy it was. Option A. I remember going. Option B. Read for the treatment. Option C. Some slight ailment. Option D. Of which I had a touch.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 25. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word. Mesmerize. Option A. Objectify. Option B. Amalgamate. Option C. Modify. Option D. Fascinate.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 26. He was of all valuable possessions. Option A. Robbed. Option B. Stolen. Option C. Pinched. Option D. Established.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 27. He rused the day they had bought such a large house. Option A. Hughes. Option B. Ruse. Option C. Rose. Option D. Dues.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 28. The Quaid's enthusiasm led the Muslims Indo-Pak to independence. Option A. Simplified. Option B. Onerous. Option C. Latent. Option D. Threatening.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 29. The old man was sitting quite bamboozled when the swindler deprived him from his pension money by his evil tricks. Option A. Bamboozled. Option B. Deprived him from. Option C. Pension money. Option D. Evil tricks.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 30. Late Aga Shahi was an outstanding genius in the international affairs. He was gifted of the acumen to judge the future events in advance. Option A. Genius. Option B. Gifted of. Option C. Judge. Option D. Future events.
Correct answer is B.